Where do you draw the line between AI assistance and artistic integrity? And especially when it comes to getting drawing emotions out of your audience, do you find that AI in the specific use case of content creation, the way you do it, is stifling or a stumbling block, or is it something that has to be applied in a specific way?
I think it's definitely just something that at this point of time needs to be applied in a specific way. I do believe that we'll get to a point where people would look for AI music. That would be a genre. That would be something that I would like to listen. For example, I want to listen to blues right now, and you want to listen to jazz, and this guy want to listen to AI music. And it will be like this, and it will be AI jazz or AI blues, because it does have a different tone. Or obviously we can still identify and recognize the differences. So I do feel that people would be attracted into it in some sort of a way. I don't think that it would replace music in a way. It would definitely be a great tool as it is right now for writing for any sort of content, really. And that's something that, in my opinion, everyone should use. As long as you have a tool and you know how to use a tool and not as like a not like a it shouldn't be a liability, if that makes sense. It should stay as a tool at least for now.